Hey, what's up, social media world, Facebook, YouTube, friends and family? It's your favorite realtor, Stephen Karen with Keller Williams Realty and Sunshine Property Management. Today, we're going to be checking out one of our newest properties over here in Ocean View, right near Willoughby Spit, which, fun fact, if you don't know, was created from a hurricane, I don't know, somewhere in the 1800s or something like that. But we've got a phenomenal property to check out. It's a townhouse. It's 2 units side by side, huge backyard on the bay. We've got the beach right across the street. You're right near the interstate, so if you need to go across the HRBT, easy day, close to the military bases. Beautiful house inside, you're gonna love it. We've got solid surface countertops, LVP flooring throughout, no carpet, updated windows, 3 decks for your relaxation pleasures, and we've got 2.5 bathrooms, 2 full bedrooms, and you're really gonna just love it. So let's go on and check this one out and see what we got. All right, walking right in here, you're greeted by this fantastic open floor plan. Kitchen, fully updated. White cabinetry, solid wood cabinets, soft closed doors and drawers, quartz countertops, center inlay sink, stainless steel appliances, got the stainless steel fridge, top and bottom. Oh, that's nice, that's nice. Tile backsplash. Okay. Great open floor plan. Right into your dining area here. And then we're gonna go into the living area. Neutral paint colors throughout. TV wall mount. All right, out back here, we're on one of our 3 decks that this property has to offer. Plenty of room for grilling and chilling. You have a nice big backyard for a townhouse. You can see how far it goes out. And of course, you got a little bit of water back there. If you want to do a little fishing off of your backyard, maybe that's your thing. Washer dryer area, half bath. A wine cooler bar area for happy hour. Bedroom number 1. Closet action. Some shelving. Your other deck. Full bath. Walk-in shower. Bedroom number 2. And we have that other deck. Again, checking out that water, nature preserve over there. Couple parking spaces here. Then we also have a 2-car garage for some covered parking. So you can fit an easy 4 cars out here on this one. Hey, well, that's what's up, guys. That's all the time we have on this one. Hope you enjoyed what you saw here today. A lot of times when we're thinking about townhouses, condos, things of that nature, you always think about having ample parking or being on the water or having even a large backyard, just like you saw on this one. So this really is an amazing property. I hope you enjoyed what you saw out here today. Whatever your real estate needs are, give me a call, 757-582-1073, 757-582-1073, and we'll talk soon.